We are here at the Manufacturing Day 2024, which is the leading event for the manufacturing industry during the Vienna.
We are so happy that Manufacturing Day once more partnered with Vienna Business Agency and is part of Vienna. The Manufacturing Day is a gathering of pioneers in the field of manufacturing. So there are startups as well as corporates, as people from academia and investors, all of them curious for the future and how to build a resilient ecosystem and innovate the manufacturing sector.
More than 400 members of the ecosystem in manufacturing have joined us today around our program that we have put together. Our speakers and our panel members are all expert in the field of innovation. We are talking about increasing the speed of innovation for the benefit of the corporations, particularly here in Europe, from a corporate angle as well as from a policy angle.
To innovate, almost by definition, we're going from conditions in which things are comfortable, they're known, they're familiar, to conditions that don't exist yet. So in order to innovate then, what we really have to do is be deliberate in creating some committed time, committed space to allow ourselves to explore the unknown safely.
At Manufacturing Day, we are also hosting a live pitching session of startups from all over Europe.
It's overwhelming to see the pioneers who come up with new technology and with new business models and with bright ideas how to innovate the manufacturing sector.
Manufacturing Day. First time here, first impressions, fantastic. Why is that? You did exactly the right thing. You created a situation where people could come in and incubate together what they each individually know to a much greater shared understanding of possibility. That's a marvelous thing.
So we are excited already for the Manufacturing Day of next year and looking forward to having you there.